Hi, good morning, guys. Welcome to G Institute, where trailblazers blaze the trail. Today we are going to talk about these four words. We are going to elaborate using them into sentences and all that. First word is advantageous, disadvantageous, about to, need to. Advantageous, लाभदायक हो, whatever is beneficial for us, whatever is profitable for us, whatever is advantageous for us, we are going to apply advantageous over there. For example, અહીંયા વાક્ય બનાવ્યું છે. Education is advantageous. ADV is a short form of advantageous for everyone. શિક્ષણ બધા માટે લાભદાયક હોય છે. Slowness, આળસ, disadvantageous. આળસ બધા માટે ગેરલાભદાયક હોય છે. Disadvantageous નો વાક્ય જુઓ. Ignorance was disadv. અજ્ઞાનતા ગેરલાભદાયક હતી. For the nation, knowledge advantageous. જ્ઞાન બધા માટે લાભદાયક હતું. About to, તૈયારીમાં જ હોવું. Lockdown is about to ease. Lockdown ખુલી જવાની, about to, તૈયારીમાં જ છે. And alma maters, શાળાઓ are about to reopen. અને શાળાઓ પાછી ખોલવાની તૈયારીમાં છે. Brits were about to hang ગાંધીજી. અંગ્રેજો ગાંધીજીને ફાંસીએ લટકાવવાની તૈયારીમાં જ હતા. India was about to be liberated. ભારત આઝાદ થવાની તૈયારીમાં જ હતો. Need to, જરૂરત હોવી. Students would, will, shall, મરજી પડે લગાડી શકો. Students would, student will, student shall. Student would need to strive. વિદ્યાર્થીઓને મહેનત કરવાની, strive, તનતોડ મહેનત કરવાની જરૂર હશે. From dawn to dusk. Dawn એટલે પ્રભાત, to dusk સંધ્યા સુધી. વિદ્યાર્થીઓને પ્રભાતથી સંધ્યા સુધી પરસેવો પાડવાની જરૂર હશે. Strive. Teachers shall need to inculcate. ઉતારવું. Inculcate મગજમાં વાત ઉતારવી. Teachers shall inculcate education among diligent students. શિક્ષકોને મહેનતુ વિદ્યાર્થીઓમાં શિક્ષણ ઉતારવાની જરૂર હશે. These are the four important words which can be used in a number of sentences. But if you use anything proper, then your communication will be proper, your education will be proper, your linguistic ability, capability, the viability will be proper. People will be able to communicate with you, interact with you. Otherwise, you will be speaking in English language, but nobody will be able to understand you. No, that is not communication. That is not the purpose of communication. The purpose of communication is only to make other person understand, to pass your views, to pass your knowledge, to pass your information. And other person should be able to understand you. Your language should be so lucid, so clear, so categorical, so lucid, that everybody should be able to understand it. You speak, but other person does not understand. That is not communication, that is miscommunication. Thank you very much for listening and watching. See you again next time. God bless you.